Okay, let's go and um
Oh yeah, we were on the SSH. Okay, yeah.
yeah.
It's ready.
Okay. So now let's try to install I don't remember all of the things that we had to install because a bunch of them. But I'm pretty sure we had to install like PyTorch and VLLM. So let's try to install VLLM first. So do we have Python already? Just if you say Python 3, does
Python version.
minus V. Yeah, it says there.
Oh,
That's fine. Um, exit out of here. And let's try to install VLLM first. So let's just go to the VLLM site and just see that it's, I think this pip install VLLM, but we'll just look at the, I think they're different for like different versions of CUDA and stuff like that. So, and say installation.
so
You don't need Conda.
no?
I don't think so. I think it'll be fine without it. Yeah, so just pip install VLLM. Yeah, Q.12.1. That's perfect. Because what I did is I started off with like 11.8 one, and then I had to like find the VLLM version which is compatible, and that was quite tough.
Okay, okay.
Um, I guess we could have set up the content environment, but it doesn't really matter, I think.
Yeah.
Is that it? And then once it's installed, uh,
So it wants all of this.
no, you don't need that. You don't need that.
No?
That's only if you want to install it on 11.8. We've got 12.1, so it's
Okay,
fine.
okay, okay, okay.
Um, That's it. Is there any other steps below? But I don't think so. So just go to quick start now. Let's go to quick start now. Um,
Um,
and I think it'll show you how to run a
install it,
smaller.
installation, kickstart.
Yeah, yeah. And then um, no, we don't want to do it this way. One second. I'll try to find that doc. We just want to run it as a command line application, which you can do. So we don't need to run it
Mm,
this way.
okay.
Um,
So maybe I will sum up what we did before. What we did before we recorded the call for the people watching this video, we created a new instance. We selected a GPU. The GPU was the V100 GPU. Afterwards, we selected an N container. We selected, I believe, the V16, if I remember correctly. Selected this one. Let's do as if we actually doing it. So V16. We increased. We switched the image to an image with CUDA 12.1. So one of these, starting from the M, we took the M118. So this one with Python 3.10 and CUDA 12.1. And yeah, we allowed this, but Shaker said that it was not needed because we were gonna do it like some other way that we will explore later. And I think that's when we hit create, and from there we run the SSH in the browser, and that's where we are right now. And think we all caught up now.
yeah, so I sent you a link of so that is an example running llama 3, the first command. So that'll just start off llama 3, um, and we can try that out to see whether it works.
Okay.
And starts the OpenAI compatible server as well. So
Mm-hmm. Okay. Right now it's still running, so
it
let's.
takes a while.
Oh, you need an API key for Llama 3? Or It's
No,
the
that's it.
API you
That's
create
it.
for
Yeah,
video.
because the OpenAI SDK needs the API key, and therefore it's
Yeah.
just like a dummy API key that you
Yeah.
created.
Okay. 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 Got you. Okay.
Let's should we run? I'm wondering whether we should run meta. Okay, this is 8 instruct. Llama 3, this is 8-bit quantized, right? So I think that'll be better. And then D-type auto. Yeah, I had some problem with the D-type also. I had to select F16 or something.
Hmm.
Um, yeah, so we may run into some issues right now. I do remember I definitely got an issue with the floating point
Oh, okay.
thing, and we may have to figure out how to manage that.
Okay.
Anyway, let's see how successful this is.
Maybe maybe it got patched. Never know. Yeah.
Okay, so that installed, and now let's try to run the API server with that command I sent you. The
There
command
is
on
an
the
error, but you don't think it's important.
no, that's fine. That's just I think it's
Mm.
pedantic. Oh, that's okay. Doesn't matter. Let's just go and
Oh, what
oh,
is
that's
that?
not it. It's Control C out. Control C. Don't worry about it. Oh, that didn't work. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Just yeah, copy that and let's run that and see. Okay, so B float 16. Yes, that's the I knew I would run into this.
Mm.
So we need to reduce something. Oh, I wish I had this. Okay, so let's set yeah, so let's set D type half. So run the same command
Mm-hmm.
and instead of D type auto, change it to D type half.
Oh, okay.
See whether that works. I definitely set it to like something else, but yeah, let's see if that works. I definitely I had the command somewhere. So
Yeah,
should have saved it.
it seems to get a little further than before.
Um, oh yeah, it's downloading the model now.
Didn't here, I guess. No. Okay.
Oh yeah, okay.
CUDA out of memory. Apparently, try allocated 64. Is it?
Yeah, there was something I did definitely to fix that issue as well. Um, you can reduce the number of threads or something. I'm just trying to see if I have that command stored somewhere. Uh, okay, yeah. So change the max model length. So do hyphen hyphen max model length, max hyphen model, sorry, max hyphen model hyphen length. I actually send you this, which uh, let me send you this link to the Zoom chat, which I found, which I had some of the command there. Um, and you can see what I ran.
Okay.
So if you see, I passed in max model length is 4096, trying to reduce the size so that it needs uh,
Okay, length. Okay.
less memory. Yeah. So let's try that.
Um, huh?
Yeah. In fact, we could probably reduce it. Let's just make it 1024 so that it's really small for now.
Okay. 1, 0, 2, 4.
Yeah. And let's run that and see whether it works this time. Oh,
Oh, okay.
try to like a 20
We have more
GPU.
than that, I believe.
That's strange. That should have worked on the GPU though, but still it should have worked, I think. Um, okay, let's reduce the max length some more, 512 and see.
But it's weird because we definitely have more than 20 gigs. I think we took 64 or something. Okay.
No, it's still
Yeah.
trying to allocate that much. All right. So what is the problem?
Try to Google it. They suggest to kill the process. Maybe
Oh,
we
is it
have some. Maybe we have some processes that yeah take a lot of memory.
yeah, let's do
Let
PS
me
ops and
share the
see.
comments. Mhm.
Yeah, let's do that. That's a good idea.
Or maybe this comment I see in the suggestions I shared in Zoom chat.
Okay, so I can just Control C or something? No, it won't work. No. Okay.
What do you want exactly?
To kill the process.
Oh, you have to do PS. We'll have to first find the so let us do
Okay.
PS AUX and we find the process first. I don't know
This
what's running, so we'll have to say.
is dash
A,
dash list, I think.
no, no, just AUX.
AUX.
Yeah, and enter. And then let's see. Scroll all the way up. Which one is memory? Or we can probably run top as well. See if you can run top. Just the top command.
Oh, top like this.
Yeah, yeah. And so if you see memory, if you scroll up, what is that? What is that?
Okay, I
Container
cannot scroll down.
D. No, you don't have to scroll down. No.
I can scroll up, but yeah, okay.
So there's nothing really consuming a lot of memory here, right? Percentage memory is,
Yeah, 0, 0, 0, 0.
yeah.
Actually,
Let's
I'm
do,
just curious. What does this comment shows like NVIDIA dash SMI if we run this comment?
yeah. So
But
quit
I
out of this.
just noticed it.
So say do Q, yeah, and do NVIDIA dash SMI.
NVIDIA dash.
No,
But
one
without
command.
space. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Like that. Hmm. Okay, we only have 16.
And do we see a PID of this process?
No, but from what I see, it's taking 0, but
Oh,
we only
yeah.
have 16 gigs of memory in there. So we might need to create a new instance or something.
With a bigger GPU.
Yeah, from what I see.
Okay, from the thing I had, do you see the process ID of this, or this is there a process running or no? What is,
There is nothing taking
yeah.
GPU
Okay.
space.
All right, run the DeepSeek coder example that I had. So if you go back to that
Yeah,
Slack post,
Slack post. Mhm.
uh, just from Python minus VLLM, that from that,
Yeah, from
yeah, from there, yeah, and see if that runs. It's probably a smaller model, and therefore it is going to run.
oh, okay. Did copy it though. Yeah, I guess I have to copy it line by line, which is no. Okay.
Let's see if this runs. So this is 6.7 billion, whereas the one we were running was Llama, what is it, Llama
Like 8
3,
billion,
8
llama
billion
8
params.
billion, yeah.
Yeah.
Let's see what, oh, my code garden is still stuck, but definitely we'll try it out with this
Mhm.
region.
Okay, so that this, I think it is running now.
Oh,
So
nice.
yeah, it's a smaller model, so it ran.
Mm-hmm.
So now if we go and open a new SSH window, we should be able to curl that endpoint.
Oh, yeah. So I should be able to do something like, oh, yes.
Maybe in the quick start
Oh yeah,
VLLM
there must be,
page, yeah.
But I've got the curl in the, actually it's in my Slack post as well.
oh, okay, nice.
Yeah, it's curl that. Oh, but you said localhost 8,000 instead of that IP.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, the rest should work.
The local host was this one. Mhm.
Whether in San Francisco did it completed?
Probably, I think we didn't set up the the API key.
Uh,
City of 800, I see text. So it seems like it's
yeah,
completed.
it did complete it. Yeah, so it's fine. So that worked. So we now need to figure out how do we. So let's try a Mistral model and see if we can find a quantized version of Mixtral um, that we can use, right?
So
So
sounds
let's stop this process. So Control C that. Hopefully it should just exit. Yeah. And now we can try to just replace the model with a, let's try to find a quantized Mixtral model and see whether we can.
I think Mixtral would be too big.
I'm looking for Mistral quantized. Um, so do you want to try AWQ? Okay, no, I want. Let's find.
I don't see that. Okay.
Let's find a GPTQ model that let's see whether that works. Let's try this one. I'll send you one. See whether that works. To replace the model with this one, see. Otherwise, we can try instead of a V100, get an A100, and most things should run on an A100.
And by the way, is it the instance killed after some time? Because I had experience that, for example, I deployed a GitLab instance on GCP, and it got killed maybe in a week or something like this. Did you experience something like this?
No, I'm not had that
I
problem.
received a message actually in Slack that it's like cost saving or something like
Yeah,
this,
yeah.
and I couldn't stop it. And yeah.
Or were you running your like development setup on the GCP?
I just deployed GitLab instance to test some things, and
Okay.
Okay, so Mistral is
oh,
running.
cool.
So the GPTQ one is working. So let's try to do the same thing, but change the model name there.
Yeah. I cannot go up.
And yeah, so it's a city known for its diversity. That's
Yeah.
cool. So awesome, right? So that worked.
Yeah, that worked.
Yeah,
Mistral.
amazing.
So
And
I
it's so fast. Yeah, it's much faster than the local one.
yeah. So what I should do, that's true though. You're actually right about this. So what I should do next is maybe try like close this one, try with a V100.
You can actually curl this from your machine as well. So because we enabled the firewall, so from your machine itself, we can do the same curl. Not from your terminal. So just go to your terminal and let us do the same curl, but we'll use the IP address, which is the public IP address. So if you go back to the console, we should have the public IP address of the Google Cloud Console. Yeah. We should have the public IP address, external IP. So copy that.
Okay.
And then now you just use that one.
I must have some curl comments somewhere.
No, I'm talking about the curl for, just try the same curl that we did on the remote machine.
Okay.
From my Slack post, I guess.
And change
instead
that.
of change the IP address.
Oh, I can actually go up here. Ah,
Oops.
damn it. Okay, let me control. Let's see. Yeah. Got it copied somewhere. Oh yeah.
Okay, that's not working. So wait, so I think we'll have to open up a firewall rule. So let's go to GCP console again.
Okay.
Go to GCP console and just do Go to firewall. So in the search thing, search for firewall.
Here?
Yeah, search for firewall. Firewall rules. The first one is fine.
Okay.
Yeah. Not app engine. Sorry, firewall. Yeah, that's the one. The
That's the
third
one.
one. Yeah, yeah. And here, let's click on new rule.
New rule.
So above there's like a firewall policies, and then yeah, no, don't just firewall rule. Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
So just allow myself or something. I don't know. Call it whatever you want.
Allow external calls.
Yeah. So direction of traffic will be ingress. That's fine. Action on match allow. Yeah. Okay. Specific target tags. Did we give a network tag to just go back to your VM in a new window? So open up a new, like just go to console.cloud.google.com
Mm.
and in a new window, yeah. And I hope you didn't override the SSH one, right? Anyway, okay, so let's go here and just go.
I've not created this one yet. I hit create.
Oh, no, don't hit create yet. Let's go back and put a tag on this VM. So click onto the VM name and then hit edit, and then we go to the networking section.
And hashtag.
Man, is this networking? No, this is not. No, this is not it. So you close this one. Go scroll down, networking section. Yeah, here we should have something called network tags. Oh yeah, HTTP server, HTTP server. Okay, we can just apply it to HTTP server. So we have an existing tag called HTTP server. We'll just use that.
Okay.
So HTTP hyphen server. Yeah, just hit, yeah. And then a source filter IPv4. So just put your IP address in there so that no one else can access it.
I don't know which one it is.
So just search for just go to whatsmyip.com or one of these sites and they'll
Okay.
tell you. Yeah, actually Google will tell you, I think. Or it was there on the Google page.
Oh, it was on the Google page. Oh yeah.
Yeah, so just copy that and put in /32.
/32.
Yeah, /32. So it needs a range, I think. So /32 should do it. Yeah. And then second source filter. You don't need that. Destination, you don't need that. And ports, specified ports, and do TCP 8000. Yeah, and then let's say create now. Okay, and now if we go and try it again, oh, it's still creating the rule.
Okay.
Oh, that is good. Yeah, let's try that again. Maybe it'll work, maybe not.
Oh,
there you
that
go.
was fast. That was
Cool.
fast. Yeah.
All right.
Okay. So what we should do next is create like a machine with V100 and the same speed.
800, yeah, 800.
800.
But you're running your goal is to run Mistral, which you are already, right?
Yeah.
I mean, Llama 3, yeah. For Llama 3, you might need a bigger GPU.
It's for Mixtral actually.
You want to run Mixtral?
Yeah, because
Okay.
Mixtral runs fine like locally in our machines, but Mixtral is a lot heavier, and I don't think like 16 gig will do it.
Okay, so maybe you guys just get a bigger one, maybe a 800, and then try it on that one.
Yeah. Okay, then I find a quantized version of the Mixtral instruct, and then I run the same command. And
exactly.
Okay, no problem.
Cool.
Okay, deployment failed.
Was that easy?
Yeah.
That was actually easier than I thought.
Great. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you very much, Shekhar.
All right, guys. Bye.
See you later.
Thanks. Have a nice
Bye-bye.
day.